tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you have already subscribed my YouTube channel. If not, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so that you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I release. So friends, before we start this video, first of all, I would like to tell you that this is a video about July 2021 predictions. But before we start the video, I would like to tell you that I have also launched another brand called Astro Vruksh by Shefali, which is a multi-astro stream solution brand. So that is a brand which offers multiple astro streams to arrive at a solution which suits you best. So do check out this channel, Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Do check out my website, which will be releasing soon under the name astrovruksbyshefali.com, and do explore the services under this brand, because we offer very practical and very scientific and realistic approach towards your solution of your problem. So we offer integrated destiny management solutions, which says that we offer a multi-stream approach to arrive at a solution of your problem so that you get the best possible choices at hand. So let's now quickly jump to your sun sign based predictions for July 2021. Let's see what's in cards for you. Let's see what's in cards for you for July 2021. People who are born from 21st of May to 21st of June are Geminis. Let's see what's in cards for them. Friends, as you know, this is a general reading, so pick and choose the advice that suits you most, because there are multiple people falling under this sun sign who are going through the similar through different phases in their life, and I try to give you maximum possible messages which I get while I'm aligned to the energy or a higher self. So without wasting too much of time, let's quickly align to Geminis and see what's in cards for them. The energies that we are sensing here is first, Archangel Michael, that is first chakra, that is your root chakra, seems blocked here, friends. So here there is some blockage. It could be a temporary blockage because of some planetary positions, or it could be your auric blockage. So depending on situation, you will have to gauge it. Now for that situation analysis, of course, we'll have to go for a personal reading. But here what I can see is your root chakra looks blocked and you are not able to access the grounding in your life. So somewhere you are feeling ungrounded, you are feeling lack of self-confidence and self-worth, low self-esteem, lot of negative thoughts hampering you, lot of depressive thoughts or anxiousness troubling you. Somewhere you're not able to trust your decisions and people around you. So these kind of things you might be facing in the coming months. So just be little careful, and we'll see what is the message for you. Here I can see the cards are speaking louder and clear that you might have to work on your or take a charge of your communication in the coming months. So let's first see what is there for you in relationship. We have the Fool card in the right position in relationship segment. So somewhere this card is warning you, or it's warning us that Geminis should take extra care in managing their relationship. They can't take things casually. Of course, they can explore their relationship differently. They can explore their feelings differently. If they have been single, then there is a possibility that they might really try to take some risk which was very unexpected, to enter into some relationship hastily. So just be little extra cautious, little extra careful when you are handling any relationship, whether it is a married life or a partnership. You'll have to be little extra cautious while you're taking any decision or choosing reactions for you. There are people who are there to guide you around. Politics is very much around the corner, friends. So just be really careful when you're tackling the relationship, because there are people who are playing around against you to harm you in your relationship. So just be really careful about politics. Be extra cautious, extra measured. Don't take things for granted. Be creative, but take very calculated risk in approaching your relationship care. So everything new is possible as long as you're taking it a responsible decision in relationship. So just be a little extra cautious here. Coming to your career, we can see Queen of Swords in the reverse position. Now this card is very much confirming, or it is suggesting, I would say, that there is a lady of significance who is a very authoritative lady. She could be your boss, she could be senior colleague, or some senior member in the industry who is trying to politically drag you into something that you are not very comfortable in. And she's trying to play around you mentally, especially I can see a lot of mental games being played over here. And she's trying to really bother you. There is also a possibility that you yourself are trying to are not able to manage your communication well. You are acting as a very sharp tooth or sharp spoken person, leading to hurting people's ego, and the time is not very right for you to do that, because we can see a lot of clouds around you. And either your speech is harming you, or somebody who is senior, well collected in the field, the lady figure especially, she's harming you. So here the message for you is patience. Be patient to tackle this lady. Don't take any hasty decision. Let your relationship with the lady mature. Let your position in the organization mature enough for you to take any action against this person, or in the industry, let your position in the industry mature to an extent that you can take a stand or protect yourself in the industry. So she's not the right person to take any to mess around with. So just be really extra careful. Work on your own skills, work on your positioning in the company or industry for that matter, rather than, so basically don't ignore her, but at the same time focus on your growth, on your core strengths, and on making things better for you in career, rather than focusing on her energy, because she'll drain you, and that will not lead you anywhere. So it's better to focus on your work and your energies, and you will be able to over the period you will be able to know how to tackle this lady. So she's not a major threat, but yes, of course she's a threat, so just be a little careful about her. Coming to your finances, friends, we have 5 of cups in the reverse position. So maybe you have suffered some losses in past, but now you're coming over those losses, and that feeling of being sad over the losses, and you're coming out of it, and you're positively trying to plan for your future. That is what we can see here overall in a snapshot. Coming to your health, we have 7 of Pentacles in the reverse position. So somewhere you were daydreaming, or you were dreaming about a typical perfect situation in your health, and you were not taking actions to an extent, but now is the time when you are taking action. So you are coming out of that just daydreaming phase and taking positive actions and working towards building your better health and a positive health. You are showing to courage to move things faster in your healthcare, in your life. So overall it looks a good card. Here angel advice card and your chakra card, both are suggesting the same thing very strangely, that throat chakra, like, take care of what you speak, take care of the way you speak, take care of your communication, your speech, your language, the way you are speaking to people, the time when you are speaking to people, and what you are speaking to people. All these things are to be taken care of. You will be telepathically connected to some people, so just try to read people and take that communication very seriously. You will be, the communication is the mantra of your month, so just focus on it. Try to be positive, try to be right in communication, and maybe you will win over the hurdles. So that is the message for you guys, Geminis. Take care. I hope this reading helps you all. So friends, I really hope this reading will help you to plan your life in future. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Facebook page, LinkedIn account, as well as on my Facebook group Astro Vruksha by Shefali, which is a combined group of Tarot Reader Shefali and Astro Vruksha by Shefali brand. So we operate 3 YouTube channels: Astro Vruksha by Shefali, Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi, and Tarot Reader Shefali in English for the international audience. So friends, if you are looking for any personalized session, this is a general reading. So if you need any personalized session, you can connect with me on my mobile number, on my email ID, or you can message me on Instagram or Facebook for that matter. I'll reply back to you, or my assistant will reply back to you. So friends, do share these videos with your more and more friends and family, because people are in need of help right now, and these general readings can surely guide them, at least to an extent that they can ease out their stress. Don't forget to share your comments with me. Your feedback is always welcome. I really like to know, what do you think about videos? Are there any improvising areas? Are there any areas which you want me to especially focus on? So I really want to welcome new subscribers on board, and I thank all those subscribers who are already the part of the journey. Take care, guys. Very good luck to all of you.